Today I want to talk a little bit about what a toner is and why you would use it. So a toner is the perfect last step in cleansing or can double as a light cleanser. If it's your last step of cleansing, you would wash and rinse your face completely, and then you would put a little bit of toner on a cotton pad like this, and then rub that on your face, usually in an outward and upward motion across both sides, and then down under your chin and along your neck. And this is going to collect any residual dead skin cells, soap, sunscreen, makeup, anything like that, so that your skin is ultra clean. And then it also provides some hydrating factors and plant extracts to keep your skin clear and bright. And then when you move on to your hydration steps, whether it be serums or cream, you're not going to take any debris in with those products back into your skin. So it's really important to have your skin prepped and very clean before you put on your hydrating products. Likewise, you can use this as a quick light cleanser. So if you've done your big wash at night, in the morning, just start with a toner in the same method that we just showed with the cotton pad, and use that to just quickly refreshen your face in the morning. It's also a perfect product after a workout, a run, a yoga class, any activity like that where you just want to quickly refreshen the skin before applying more serum, cream, or sunscreen. So the main point of a toner is to keep the skin clean and fresh so that when you add your hydrating products, you're not taking any unwanted elements back into your skin with the hydrating product.